Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be walking you through how to play Seben and using the right technique. I know some of you have commented on my videos and emailed me and messaged me on my TikTok asking different questions about why do we need to use our left thumb, why do we need to use our thumb and our index finger on the plucking hand. All of these different questions, I will address them on this video. If you have more questions, please comment below and I will try to make a part 2 to this video so that you can improve your technique when playing Seben. So in this video, I'll try to simplify everything and going through the basics and in terms of your fretting hand, your plucking hand. So this video is really designed for beginners and people that are trying to get into Seben as well. So the first question that I want to address is, why do we need to use our thumbs? So you don't have to use your thumbs. I prefer to use it. A lot of players prefer to use it. I do personally think it gives a better sound. The tone is a bit different. It gives a fuller sound, a more warm sound and rounder. For example, if I just play this, it sounds different too. It sounds very different. And also when we use the left thumb, we're trying to mimic the bass drum. And this is very, very important in Congolese music, in my opinion, especially when it comes to the bass guitarist, because it does add a lot of flavor to the song. It makes the rhythm much better. Now, you can use, some people use their middle finger to mimic the bass drum. I'm personally, like I said, not a fan of that. I prefer to use the left thumb because most of the very good Congolese players use the left thumb. So I'll give you guys a very, very simple exercise. And in this exercise, we're going to use the right thumb, our index finger, our right index finger, and we're going to use the left thumb as well. So I want you to first start off by doing this. So using the left thumb and our right thumb. And then we're going to play the G in the G string. And we're going to do that with our index finger. So with our index finger, we're going to play the G. And with our thumb, we're going to play this note. So it's not an actual note, but, well, it's D, but we're just doing this. So we're going to do this. I'll slow it down. So all I'm doing is once you get used to that, we'll step up. So I'll slow it down. So on my right hand, I'm playing. And then we'll play. So I'm playing do, 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 do. So an even simpler exercise will be to play with the muted strings. So in order to mute the strings, just rest your hand on all 4 strings or 5 strings if you have a 5-string bass, and just do this. The same thing we did before. So in order to step up, you can make it better. So try to get used to playing like that without playing any notes. Just focus on the right hand technique. You're treating this instrument like it's a percussion instrument when you play Seben, because it's a lot of that when you play Seben. Like, and then when we move on to the left hand technique. So what's important there? I keep playing this. Like I said, this is crucial when it comes to Seben, when you play bass. Some players don't do it. I personally think every player should do it when playing Seben because it adds more flavor to the bass line. So in this bass line, all I'm playing is 1. So I'm in a key of B, and I'm playing 1, 5, 4, 5. So this bass line is in the key of B. It's 1, 4, 5, 4. I don't want you to worry too much about the bass line. It's more to do with this. You don't have to play. You can play. Until you get used to the technique. And then you can add a bass line. So you can play. You see, when I play, before I play every note, I always add this. So do it. The other thing that's important in Seben is the muting. So these notes so in order to mute the strings, all you have to do is just basically just rest your hand on the strings. Don't press them. Just rest your hands on the string and it will mute the strings. So what we do in Seben is we do something like this. I'll show you an example. So what am I doing there? I'm not actually playing anything. I'm just muting them. So I play 1, 1, then so my right hand I play the G string, then E string, sometimes I can add a note there too, so I can play. So the last time I play, so I'm playing muted, muted, and then play. So I'm playing the G. So another good exercise will be this. So all I'm playing is G, F, G, F, but I'm adding this. So let me show another example in the key of G, playing 1, 4, 5, 4. So I played, but I can also play. So you don't actually have to mute the strings. It's just so that if you want to step to the next level, you can just play like this. But someone else will play. Like I said, you don't have to play like this. You can play like this too. It's not really my preference, but I do see a lot of players playing like that, and they do play good. But I just prefer the tone that you get when you use your right thumb and your left thumb as well. So that's it for today, guys. If you're interested in bass lessons, specifically to do with Congolese music, and you want to get better at Seben or Humba, please email me. I've left my details in the description below. And if you want to see more videos, please comment below your suggestions and I'll try to get through as many as I can. Thank you so much and see you next time.